eat by myself. All right, this time. Oh. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what's going on?
This time.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Finally, we get to eat together.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He's a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making Siu Mai.
Yes, Chinese dim sum.
Siu Mai, or steamed Chinese dumpling, is a famous dim sum dumpling that you can find at any Chinese restaurant that serves dim sum. It is super delicious and also easy to make at home. To get started, we'll need ground pork, dumpling wraps, 1 egg, shrimp, chicken flavoring, salt, pepper, oil, cornstarch, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and oyster sauce. Alright, to get started on the prep, we'll marinate our pork first. For your ground pork, make sure to tell your butcher to have it a little chunky still where it still retains its shape and not grounded too much. So first, let's add 1 egg in there, 1 small spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of chicken flavoring, half a spoon of salt, 2 spoons of oyster sauce, 2 spoons of hoisin sauce, 2 small spoons of sugar, a splash of water, and mix everything thoroughly. Then add about 2 spoons of cornstarch and mix it through. Once mixed through, add a swig of oil and a small swig of sesame oil and mix it through one last time and it's done. Let it marinate for at least 20 minutes and you're ready to go. And for our shrimp, we're going to be using the same marinade as a sauteed shrimp that we'll link down below in the description. Alright, let's start making the siu mai. First, we're going to cut up some shrimp into small pieces and put it to one side of the marinated pork. You can also mix it through, but we want to make sure that there's some shrimp in every dumpling, so we're keeping it separate for now. Then we're going to grab a dumpling wrap and add a small spoonful of the marinated pork in the middle along with some shrimp and make a hole with your hand and start pushing the filling down. Make sure to press all the way down to fill out the bottom while at the same time make sure it retains its cylinder shape. Then grab more filling to add to the top and it should look good. Shape it up one last time and put it on a tray and let's make some more. Alright, once you finish up wrapping up all the dumplings, we're gonna grab a jar of crab eggs and add a little bit on top of each siu mai and we're ready to steam. To get started with steaming, first we're gonna grab a steamer and add a cheesecloth on the bottom to prevent it from sticking. And then we're gonna add about 12 siu mai in there or until full, and then we're gonna grab a pot, add some water in there and bring it up to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we're going to put our steamers in there and let it steam for at least 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, carefully take it out and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy!
Eat by myself. All right, this time. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what's going on?
This time.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Finally, we get to eat together.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
No more
Chinese
variants.
dim sum, siu mai, Chinese dim sum.
Yeah. All right, let's eat. Wow. So much flavor.
Yeah, just shrimp, pork.
It tastes just like the dim sum at restaurant.
Yes.
Delicious.
Yummy, yummy. Well, thank you everybody.
Bye-bye.
Have a good night. Definitely try this out.